greensandmachines.com.
Before we get started, let's go over the design of the molding press. It has 4 support rods, which are actually just pieces of pipe with threaded end caps welded on them. I made them hollow this time to save on weight, though it ended up being a lot more work in the long run. Next come the 3 aluminum platens. The top and bottom are fixed onto the rods, while the middle one rides on them with bushings that are held in place with flathead screws. The top plate gets a block bolted on for retaining the acme nut, while the middle plate has a block for retaining the acme screw, utilizing the welded marshmallow on a stick method from last time. Both these blocks have spacer plates in between them and the platens to avoid damaging the aluminum surface. The mold halves then get doweled and screwed onto the bottom and the middle plates. This design is much simpler than last time because the bushings did not have to be built into the moving half of the mold. They're on a separate plate, which means the mold can be interchangeable. The mold I'm designing this press for is a simple mold for casting 4 round bars of aluminum. Basically just a way to cast scrap aluminum into blanks that could be turned down to whatever else in the lathe. You know, if you're too cheap to buy aluminum round stock. Alright, let's get into the build.